Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using VirtueMart for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to start using VirtueMart, and VirtueMart is a powerful e-commerce solution for Joomla. So make sure to stay or stick by to follow this step-by-step tutorial to get your online store up and running. So let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that, basically, just go to this URL section, and all you need to do is, first of all, installing Joomla and VirtueMart. So you'll be able to go to the Joomla, first of all, website by typing joomla.org and open a new tab and basically just go to VirtueMart and hit the enter button. You can click on the first link as an example. And yeah, so normally you have to go first of all to this VirtueMart, and as you can see, free open source. Grow your online business with VirtueMart. VirtueMart is a free open source e-commerce extension for Joomla. As you can see, CMS has been active in development since 2002. So what you'll need to do first of all is download this. If you understand about this, if you know nothing about this example, you can simply just see the features out here. So discover VirtueMart features powering your e-commerce experience. So it's basically a flexible products management. As you can see, VirtueMart enables like easy management of products, categories, attributes, and variants, allowing administrators to efficiently organize and showcase their merchandise. And it's a multi-language support. So with built-in multi-language support, VirtueMart caters to international markets, allowing users to create and manage multilingual online stores. Multiple payments gateway. Of course, VirtueMart supports various payments gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and even more, offering flexibility in accepting payments securely. Shipping and tax calculation. The platform provides tools for calculating shipping costs and taxes based on different parameters such as weight, destination, and tax rates, streamlining the checkout process. Inventory management also is a feature. VirtueMart offers inventory management features, including stock tracking, low stock notification, and back order management, helping users track or keep track of their inventory levels. It's also SEO friendly. As you can see, the platform is designed with search engine optimization, which is SEO, in mind, providing features such as customizable URLs, meta tags, and sitemaps to improve your online visibility and ranking, which is so good, especially if you're looking to create a store and looking for visitors, of course. Extensions and add-ons. VirtueMart offers a wide range of extensions and add-ons, allowing users to extend the functionality of their online store with additional features and integrations. So as you can see, a lot of features provided by VirtueMart, which should be very good for you, because you can see here, you can see like their partners, latest news about it, and everything. So as I said, all you need to do is simply go here and click on download now. As you can see, so download VirtueMart now. As you can see, it's a powerful e-commerce components for Joomla, easy to use for beginners and experts. It offers thousands of built-in features to quickly install your professional store. VirtueMart 4 is the last stable version available. It's compatible with Joomla 3.1 and Joomla 4 and even Joomla 5. So if you're using any of those versions, you shouldn't worry about anything. The most recent version in the extension store, you will find it. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to find it here. But as you can see, it is paid. So here you can see VirtueMart is an open source projects, and this package are free to download, as you can see, because this option is buy a membership and download the newest virtual package now. So if you click on it, the same is going to take you here. But you can download the free option. As you can see, download Virtue 4.2.12 now, VirtueMart's components, which is core, AIO, TCP/DF, and VM admin. Or you can download your language pack, and from here you can download some older version of VirtueMart. And as you can see, basically how to use it, they'll tell you everything here. So all you need to do is unzip the downloaded archive. So of course, if you are new to Joomla and VirtueMart, or you don't have Joomla already installed, we recommend to download the full installer. So you can simply unzip the downloaded archive, basically this one, then move the unzipped archive to your web folder, or basically a server if you have a server. Then you'll have to open your browser and enter URL of your website. Just as known, of course, it's going to be like localhost slash the name of your URL, of course, of the website. Then you should go through the installation process because it will start, and you basically have to follow the instructions as I did maybe in some previous videos with PrestaShop and etc. You basically have to follow that. And if you already have Joomla installed, you can simply buy a membership and download the virtual market and install it, or basically go with the free one. As you can see, if your servers prevents uploading such a big files, unzip the download archive, basically, which is this one. Then install the VirtueMart core components via the Joomla installer first, as you can see, which is going to be in this one. Then install the VirtueMart or AIO components second. It's contain VirtueMart plugins and modules. It's going to be in this file specifically. Then you'll have to install this CPDF. As you can see, components. It's necessary for printing invoice and delivering notes. Of course, if you don't want like some like plugins and modules or delivery notes and invoice, and you don't have to install it, but as you can see, you'll find this in this specific file. If you can't install it like automatically in this, and it's a big file. And then you'll have to install the admin templates, which is going to be in this file, as you can see. Finally, you'll have to install the front end template form, which is going to be found in this template specifically. More details, instructions can be found here. So if you go and click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to the request URL was not found on the server. Please check the URL or contact the webmaster. So it seems like the details are not there anymore. Of course, where to download like Joomla, you can just go to joomla.org and download the Joomla from here. Click on here as an example, and you'll be taken here so you can upgrade the packages if you want, or download the latest Joomla version. Click on it, or Joomla, and as you can see, you'll be able to download this. And you'll basically have to do the same here. It will start with this instructions basically, because this is the instructions for how to start if you don't have Joomla also. It shows just follow it. Unzip the file, move the zip file to archive or your web folder, then open the URL and etc. And basically, you need more help, you can visit the installation, migration, and upgrade this. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, so it seems like it's working. As you can see, it will provide a lot of articles for you, it seems. So you can go through it, or updates, as you can see, by SVN using this manual if you want to update this as an example, but it seems like the manual is not working. So the features, VirtueMart includes some natively a very important list of features such as complex products, easily created, easy store management, powerful SEO features, marks and promotional tools included, enumerous payments providers integrated. So you can see a lot of features. For the requirements, you'll basically need the same requirements as Joomla, and you'll basically need a PHP 5.3 or more. MySQL should be 5.5. PHP settings, it should be 128 megabytes RAM and at least 64 megabytes RAM for the PDF invoices as an example. And yeah, basically that's it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.